Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony on Friday amended the existing COVID-19 emergency measures to authorize indoor dining at restaurants and fast food establishments. The updated order stipulates that indoor and outdoor dining at a restaurant shall only be permitted between the hours of 4 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Where applicable, indoor dining is restricted to 40% capacity of the building. It further outlines that tables should be spaced 6 feet apart from each other and no more than 4 persons should be seated at one table at least 3 feet apart. Staff at restaurants are required to wear a face mask and sanitize dining tables and chairs after use by each customer. The decision comes amidst the continued sharp upward trajectory with more than 6,745 confirmed cases to date. The Tourism and Hospitality Association, headed by Mitra Ramkumar, has for months been agitating for the resumption of indoor dining at a 50% capacity, while observing the social distancing protocols. However, TAG's calls went unanswered for several weeks, and the health minister had strongly criticized the need for indoor dining, especially during the current COVID-19 climate.
Well, it's a simple thing, really, because you're in an enclosed environment. Transmission does not only happen because of droplets. Transmission would also occur because of aerosols. And in an enclosed indoor environment where there isn't much circulation happening, and if you're going there for dining or drinking, obviously you would not have on a mask. And without a mask, if you're asymptomatic, you would be shedding the virus. So when you talk, you cough, you're having a drink, these viruses can escape from your mouth, your nose, and would go into the environment.
Ramkumar, during a telephone interview with Nightly News on Friday, welcomed the muted reopening of indoor dining. He highlighted that TAG has been urging restaurant operators to implement proper measures to monitor patrons.
Are advocating that they ensure that, like for example, in the fine dining restaurants, that they do control reservations so that you don't have a lot of people showing up at the same time. We also spoke about when people turn up, let's say for example at fast food places, that you manage them and you ensure that the social distancing is maintained.
Operators have also been advised to upload menus on digital platforms or have them written on a chalkboard to reduce patrons' contact with physical menus. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.